When science and technology develop and modern machines are born, it also helps us to limit unnecessary risks in our work. The same is true in the logging and wood processing industry. The use of machinery to support the work is essential. However, the lack of knowledge and experience in the job will cause serious dangers, especially can lead to death.
Oh shit.
Sawing a tree is a very dangerous job, especially when the tree is right next to the house. If safety measures are not taken, it is very likely that undesirable consequences will occur. During the sawing process, it is possible that the tree will break towards the house, causing great damage or even causing a fatal accident. Therefore, it is very important to be prepared and use safety equipment. Obviously, sawing trees like this is extremely dangerous. With large old trees, determining the direction of the tree's fall is extremely necessary. In addition, it is necessary to use modern technological machines to help for the sawing process not to encounter unwanted risks. If you do not have the experience or adequate equipment, it is best to hire professionals to do this job. This is the best way to ensure the safety of people and property on that area. Do not be subjective when working with large trees near the house. Cutting down trees is a risky job and should be done by experienced individuals with knowledge of mechanics and safety. However, in some cases, tree cutting can become a dangerous adventure, especially when the person performing the task climbs up the tree with a ladder. A man performed this action, climbing up the tree to cut off large branches. This action was not only dangerous but also reckless, as the man did not have any protective gear, including a helmet and non-slip shoes. While cutting, the man encountered an unexpected mishap when the tree fell suddenly. However, fortunately, the tree fell to the side and did not hit him. This situation clearly demonstrated that performing tree cutting without any safety measures can lead to serious consequences. Cutting down trees is a risky and dangerous job that should be carried out by experienced individuals equipped with full safety gear and equipment. Cutting down trees is a job that requires high attention and concentration, especially when performed in a forest. Not wearing protective gear while cutting down trees can easily lead to unexpected accidents. One of the biggest dangers of tree cutting without protective gear is the risk of slipping. If the worker does not stand firmly on the ground or even on the tree, they can slip and fall to the ground. The tree cutter can be seriously injured or even die if they fall from a high height. Therefore, wearing protective gear when cutting down trees is extremely important to ensure the safety of the worker and prevent unnecessary accidents. Protective gear such as helmets, safety shoes, impact-resistant jackets, gloves, and safety goggles should all be used when performing this job to minimize unwanted risks. Using specialized equipment in cutting down large trees of tall height is extremely important. Personal protective equipment for the worker is one of the safety measures to avoid potential risks. Using specialized machinery in this work will also help to complete the job quickly. These modern devices have also replaced a significant part of human labor in physically demanding jobs like woodcutting. Safety ropes help workers to cut trees at heights of tens of meters with confidence and without worrying about slipping. You can see the image of workers easily and confidently climbing on the large tree trunks. In addition to requiring professional knowledge and years of experience, this job also demands good health, strong legs, and hands that are fit to hold the saw securely and carry out the task effectively. Therefore, cutting down ancient trees or any tree requires high professionalism and expertise, as well as good health and caution on the part of the worker. Equipping personal protective equipment also helps workers avoid unnecessary risks while working and helps to improve work efficiency and shorten the completion time. So, through this video, have you gained a new perspective on the job of tree cutting? A seemingly simple task, but one that requires highly skilled techniques that not everyone can do. Training a professional team and creating companies specializing in tree cutting is essential. This service is developed to meet the increasing demand of people. Hopefully, this information is truly useful for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you in the next videos.